We got a Frigidaire, 10,000 BTU, window unit running, the GMCC compressor. It is Frigidaire. It's hot right here, really hot. And this is actually a really strong fan outside too. I can feel all over here, strong. It's only on low, got water in it. It's a GMCC, you see it right there. This, trying to show you. Yeah, it has Welling fan motor. Alright, let's go look inside. Put this unit back in 2023. I guess the 22 model. Sorry, my hand's in the way. It feels good. It feels really good. And it's really cold. It's R32. R32 refrigerant gets really cold. About a year old. Anyways, so I wanted to show you. If you like the tickets or how I recommend it, look at Lowe's and go on Amazon, you'll find this model.